Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this 2016 66 plate Ford Ranger Limited. This is the 3.2 litre 6-speed auto pickup. They drive absolutely fantastic. This one's finished in the lovely sort of sapphire blue, which I think looks absolutely ace. Obviously the limited models come with a lot of chrome, so the blue and the chrome I think it suits very well. So we've got these chrome accents to the lowers. Obviously we've got rear parking sensors there, reversing camera as well. This one's got the rear roof bars. We've got more chrome detailing on the window surrounds, on the grab handles, on the lower of our side skirts, and then we're riding on these nice 17-inch 6-spoke sparkle silver alloy wheels. Nice big chrome grille as well. It's just a cool looking pickup truck. Looking through, inside is a ebony black leather sports seat. These seats are heated. Driver's is electric. Coming through to the back, you've got your central armrest with 2 cup holders, Isofix in the bottom for your child seats, and 3 seat belts, so comfortable seating for 3. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in the back there, so if you do have children or you often have passengers in the rear, they can charge their phones as you're driving along. Looking through to the rear loading area, as you can tell, that is in fantastic order. You do, over time, if it's had heavy use, get dents and scrapes in the back of here, but as you can tell, that's in nice order. Very minimal to nowhere on that. Jumping inside, we've got our 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. Getting in and out of this awful wind. I've got the key in my pocket, so we'll start the vehicle up. So, rumbles into action. You're greeted with this leather multifunction steering wheel. So on here is our cruise control and speed limiter, voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. We've got our automatic wipers, automatic lights found down there as well, park folding mirrors. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 78,854 miles, which is nothing on one of these. Coming through, nice big display on these. So we've got our full radio, which is a full DAB. You've got Bluetooth audio on there as well, so nice and easy to connect your phone. You've got satellite navigation on there as well, and then you've got your digital dual zone climate control. Heated front seats, as I mentioned before. The whole climate control is nice and easy to use. You've got 2 12-volt power outlets, 2 USBs, a aux, and your SAT NAV SD card there as well. Gearbox nice and smooth. You've got the sport mode for that as well. Quite a bit of storage within there. Now this vehicle is supplied with a very nice service history, so I have photographed all the services. I do recommend having a flick through our photographs. But a nice van, a nice pickup, which I've had the chance to drive myself. If you'd like any further information on this vehicle, you can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.